Welcome back to Deep Sky Labs. As a follow-up to this video here, where I talk about the importance of, or lack of importance of cleaning glass at specific parts of your optical train, just a quick summary. The further away it is from the camera, the less it really matters in your day-to-day imaging. There was this comment that lived in my head rent-free for weeks. And this was the comment. I love being proved wrong. That's sort of the reason I started this channel, is I wanted to sort of learn in public, and I have no problem being proved wrong. I also really love these little air blowers so much that I have a couple of them laying around, and I use them all the time for everything. So I wanted to construct an experiment with the same piece of sacrificial glass that we used in that video, and I wanted to see if there was any validity to this sort of leaking grease theory. I think in like older motors that have like really big bearings, that might be the case. Like you might be able to get a bearing hot enough to have it shoot out some grease. So just to cut to the chase, this is what I did. I pointed this blower in my little homemade rig at this piece of glass until the battery died. And it lasted about 20 minutes, which, first of all, is awesome that this blower will just blow at its max speed for 20 minutes. And two, it's kind of a ridiculous thing. You're not going to be dusting off your optics for 20 minutes. But I really wanted to see, like, is there grease there? So I also purchased a UV blacklight at a specific frequency because grease will sort of luminesce at this frequency. So I did a couple of samples where I put just the smallest amount of this Los Mandy low temp grease on a napkin, and I rubbed it on there a little bit, a couple little dabs. I mean, these are small, tiny little dabs, and you can see they glow under the UV light. And I was like, okay, if there's any grease that comes out of this thing, I'll probably see it. I also bought this handy dandy little, it's not a microscope. It's like a handheld digital eye loop, I guess is probably the best way to call this. And that's how I got these shots. So time lapse, ran the camera, shot it for over 20 minutes. And then I pulled the glass off and I used the digital eye loop along with the UV light to see if there was anything. And honestly, there was not, at least not anything that I could see. Does this mean that there isn't some like microscopic film layer that might have been deposited? Like, I guess maybe, but is it going to be something that like shows up? No. Is it going to be something that degrades the optics? That's a totally different question that I don't know that I can answer. But from what I can tell from this experiment where I just ran the blower full speed, like an inch and a half away from the glass and just let it blow on it and it got warm. Like this thing got pretty warm, which would be the scenario in which you would expect some lubricant to release from the bearings. It didn't happen. I also purchased just like a little 5-pack of bearings, and I'll get some macro shots up on the screen for this. But I think these are the sorts of bearings that are used, because even in the ad it said these are shielded, double shielded ball bearing for electric motors. And I was like, all right, these are probably what that thing uses. And they're just these little teeny guys. I cracked one open because I wanted to see, all right, like what's inside. So they're shielded, they're not sealed. Those are two different things. But also there's like not a lot of lubricant in there. I couldn't even get it to, I couldn't wipe anything off. So these seem to be dry. I don't know if that's what's going to be in the specific blower that you buy or don't buy, but I can tell you that this one didn't seem to do anything. I also used the UV light on the intake and the exhaust side of this after that experiment, and I'll show that footage here. And you can tell they're about equally as dirty. I don't really see like a microscopic film or anything like that. If you guys can think of a better way to run this experiment, let me know. I'm totally down to like run this thing down or, figure out a better way to try and collect this data. But from what I can tell from the experiment I ran, if you run your blower for over 20 minutes and try and clean off glass from this far away, nothing meaningful will be collected. And for the amount of time that we're using it, which is like a couple seconds, I don't think you're going to get like splatters of grease or oil on your optics. So I wanted to get this out there because, yeah, I don't know. It's been living in my head rent free for like 3 or 4 weeks, and I wanted to like see what was going on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like and subscribe so we can do more weird videos like this where we just try and figure out, like, is what we think is our preconceived notion accurate, or is there, you know, maybe a little bit of a different story to tell here? Clear skies.